Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, welcome in my new video. Today I bring a new video. In this video, I show you how to create a multi-line style, but the multi-line style will be start from the middle line and it will be the snap line, middle line, and it will be the snap line. This video is creating to my viewers who request me the multi-line will be start from the center line, means if we creating three line multi-line, but our snap line will be the middle line, this one, this middle line. So today I show you how to set these options. So please, I requesting to my viewers who watching this video first time, please subscribe my channel and share my video and press the bell icon to get the new video upload notification to you. Okay, let's start. First, I go to the option format. From format, we select the multi-line style from here, or we type the multi-line for a shortcut command ml. We saw here through multi-line style. I go to multi-line style. From multi-line style, here the one box is open. From here, we go to the new, and from here we select the thickness of our multi-line. So we enter to 200 mm wall, but here when we do the give the space, our continue box is not active. So here be careful, because of we put the space, then our continue box is not active, so we avoid to give a space here. Now we press on the continue, one box is open. Here we also put the same 200 mm wall. Here we can use the space, no problem, but I didn't want to discuss the all options because I make a previous video in detail. So you can check this detail in the previous video. I also give a link in this descriptions. Okay, now we have two lines. For three lines, when we creating a two lines multi lines means two, not more than two, then we only put the any numbers, positive number, no problem, 0, 100 or 200, and we go to the justification and select the 0. It automatically select the center of the line. But now we creating a three lines, more than two lines, then we have to here careful. So when I go to add button, here one button is one options appear 0 by layer. So I put this value 0 is as it is, and if we need to change the color, I go to the color change. Here from here we change the line tab. I need the dotted line, here I put the dotted line. Now I go to the another options for the bottom line. For bottom line, here we put the minus. If we put the 100, then it select the after 0 100. So we put the here minus and put 100. This one is negative number. We put here negative number and select the as per our choice color. We can choose any color, but I prefer blue, so I choose the blue. Again I go to the top one, and here I also put 100, because our middle line is 100 0, and the upper offset line is 100, and the down offset line is minus 100. So I change color from here and make it okay, and for 200 I make it here current, set current, and okay. Now I go to start the multi-line, ml, enter. For multi-line, for shortcut key is ml. I enter ml, and here some option is appear. One is justification, second is scale, and third is style. So if we direct want to if I create a too much means 3 or 4 dimension style, then from dimension style I select from here, or scale, it's depend If I need to bigger, then we choose the scale. Now I need to justify justification, so I click on the justification. Here three option is appear. One is top, second is 0, and third is bottom. So first I start from the top and I entered it class. Again I enter and go to the justification and select the 0, select justification and select the 0, and again I create this line. Again I enter and go to the justification and select the bottom, and again I create the three line. Here we create a three multi lines in different snap options. So first we select the top, second we select from the center, and third we select from the bottom. So we saw the our line is in different snap. First snap from the top, second is from the middle, which my viewers is request to me to how we set this center, middle line will be the snap line. So I show you how we set this snap from the middle line. Suppose we have one line, but from this line we need to start our multi-line from the center of this line. So we go to the multi-line and select the justification. From here we put the 0 and start from here. Okay, the our multi-line is the start from the center of the line. If we have any problem confusion, then we go to the dimension and check it is correct or not. So it is correct, we start from the center line. So you see the how I saw you to create the snap line from the middle line. Start from middle, it will be the snap line. So I waiting your response. Please subscribe my channel and share my video, and till watch up till up to the next end. And thank you for watching. We meet in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.